Mingo Cruz, Teacher Exandra Pagkalinawan, and even Jima Casandil, Shania Kiana, and even who else in my enemy list? Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo. Why can't all of you just stop playing about GTA, ha? You know, Mark Cruz, ha? I am sick over your death threats. Now you see what happened to you, Mark Cruz. Hey, you're playing violent video games. You know what happened in Tacloban National High School? The two teenagers are responsible for a shooting incident. Oh, just because you like violence, Mark Cruz. Oh, and you're playing that stupid GTA 5. You might similar what happened to that 18-year-old who shot the taxi driver in Thailand. Have you never felt ashamed of yourself, Mark Cruz? Just to know you're playing GTA? Mark Cruz, I had enough about GTA. Alright? Because you know, you're addicted on GTA. You're addicted. You and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil are making a bomb joke and bomb threats. Like for example, all of you praising ISIS. Now you see you're influenced to play GTA. Oh, that the root cause anyway. GTA is really violence, Mark Cruz. Don't play that stupid game. You know, I watched in the news in Thailand. I mentioned, I heard the news. Oh, the 18-year-old who shot a taxi driver. Just playing about GTA. You know, Mark Cruz, when I was told by J. Rick Silva, ihinto mo na yung paglalaro mo yung GTA at Mobile Legends. You know, Mark Cruz, you are influence of bad influence, and you're using about bad mouth languages. Now you see Patrick Quezon as using a bad words. Oh, I was told by Chris Soreta. You know, Mark Cruz, enough playing about GTA. Your attitude anyway is full of violence. Look at Jordan Bunagan and Paulo Cruzada, I mentioned. Oh, they were scolded by their parents because I know they're addicted of playing GTA. Oh, don't you even know that GTA is violence compared to Gorebox? Don't you even know those kids are responsible of the shooting incident? Those two teenagers? You know, Mark Cruz, I had enough about your bad words. I had enough about your profanity. This is why Roylan Marlang had distrusted you, because your attitude is always like that. First of all, you mentioning about Divine Adili and Rene Bartebonia. And then you mentioned those teenagers. You saying about what is it? The shooting incident. And now I edit your picture anyway, Mark Cruz and Paulo Cruzada, Rob and Nash for playing GTA. You know, Mark Cruz, you need to stop playing GTA. Look at Bill Galang, I mentioned, one of my friends in CDIFI. Oh, he doesn't want to play GTA. Oh, I told to Bill, I said to him, Bill, I told him huwag ka maglalaro ng GTA because it's violence. But Bill has understand too, oh, that he will never play GTA because he realized it's violence. It's an immature video game and you're playing about violence. As you can see, that Bill Galang had already stopped playing GTA. Why does Bill Galang had stopped playing GTA? Because it's violence. Even I'm saying, look at Bill Galang. He stopped playing GTA San Andreas. He deleted in his he uninstalled it in his cell phone. And he realized he listened to Teacher Bea Belmonte. He listened to me. He listened to Jens. And he listened to everyone. Just like Teacher Ruti Barrientos had lectured Bill Galang not to play GTA. He lectured it. You, Mark Cruz, you might be similar of attitude of Rob and Nash, who were involved at Tacloban National High School about the shooting incident. You know, Mark Cruz, your attitude anyway, you are just like Teacher May's tutorial named Zach. Do you remember I was told by Teacher May, Tibur Show, about Zachary? That guy who's antisocial behavior or antisocial personality disorder. He's just like Larry Chuanico for playing GTA. You see that person named Zachary. He's older than not only Larry Chuanico, he's older than Aton Comentador. For playing GTA. You see, Zachary, he was obsessed on violence. Just like I remember the former student of Teacher Marisa named Michael Sarmiento. He always played GTA because of violence. And he do Dirty Finger last 2016. Is this what you like, Mark Cruz? Is this what you like, your attitude to play that stupid video game, the GTA? You know, Mark Cruz, I had enough of your nonsense. I had enough about your bullshit. I'm sorry for my bad words. Because you're telling lies over at Christian Mingito that he knows Mika Lim. You are a liar, Mark Cruz. According by Christian Mingito, he doesn't know Mika Lim. You know, Mark Cruz, how would you ever know that Christian Mingito knows Mika Lim in Cebu? He was in Compostela. It's far from Cebu. And he was in Compostela. As you can see, it's all over. I'm saying that's all the lies. If I say to you, Mark Cruz, if you tell a lies, don't spread the lies. That is my consideration.